Welcome back. We arrived to the last video of the alphabet. In this video, we are going to go over the letter W, X, Y, and Z. Let's begin. W in Spanish is W, W, or W. All depends on the country or region, but all of them are correct. This letter has the same W sound as in English, and it is part of the alphabet because, just like the letter K, we use it for words that are coming from the English or the German language or any language that uses the letter W. There are some words that are adapted to Spanish, for example, wagon, vagón, or waltz, vals. But majority of the words that we see with the letter W, again, are from a foreign language that are introduced to the Spanish language. For example, Wi-Fi or windsurf. Let's move on to the letter X. In Spanish, X. X. This letter has a X sound. With the vowels, sounds like this: xa, xe, xi, xo, xu. Some examples: exageración, exageración, exaggeration, boxeo, boxeo, boxing, xilófono, xilófono, xylophone, saxofón, saxofón, saxophone, exuberante, exuberante, exuberant. Let's move on to the letter Y. The letter Y in Spanish is Y. Y. Now this letter is also known extensively as Y. Y. This translates to Greek I. Greek I. Okay? This letter has two sounds. A J sound that, just like the double L, it could depend on a country or region. So it could be a ya, ja, or sha. But for this video, let's go with the middle ground, ja. So with the vowels, ja, je, ji, jo, ju. Again, ja, je, ji, jo, ju. This letter has a J sound when it's in the middle of a word, but it has a Spanish E sound at the end of the word. So for example, in the middle of the word, payaso, payaso, clown, inyección, inyección, injection. Now, when it's at the end of the word, it will sound like this: buey, buey, ox, hoy, hoy, today. Let's move on to the last letter, the letter Z. In Spanish, zeta, zeta. This letter has an S sound throughout Latin America. In Spain, they have more of a th sound. But for the purpose of this video, let's go with an S sound. The syllables are sa, se, si, so, su. Again, sa, se, si, so, su. Some examples: zapato, zapato, shoe, zeppelin, Zeppelin, zeppelin. Encima, encima. Enzyme. Zoológico, zoológico. Zoo. Azúcar, azúcar. Sugar. We just finished this lesson, but before you go, let's go to your exit ticket. You will have 3 seconds to read in Spanish the following exercises. Payaso, boxeo, buey, zoológico, azúcar. Now that we finished with the pronunciation of the letters, we can move on to other topics. I hope you join me in the next lesson.